Is your Windows 11 C drive suddenly full, even though you haven't installed anything new? On some Windows 11 computers, a hidden system log called CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal can grow to tens or even hundreds of gigabytes. Now Microsoft has finally fixed it. This video will help you confirm if you're facing this issue and show you exactly how to fix it. Let's go. Part 1. What causes the Windows 11 storage bug? The Windows 11 500GB storage bug is usually tied to CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal, a write-ahead log used by the Capability Access Manager database. Windows uses this service to manage app access to protected capabilities such as location, camera, and microphone. A WAL file records database changes before they are committed. But with this bug, Windows keeps writing and forgets the cleanup part, so a file that should stay only a few megabytes. Part 2. How to check if the Windows 11 storage bug affects your PC. First, open Settings, go to System, and select Storage. Click Show More Categories and check System and Reserved. If it looks unusually large and your free space keeps disappearing for no obvious reason, this bug may be the culprit, but that number alone isn't enough to confirm it. To take a closer look, run a Disk Space Analyzer as an administrator, and scan your C drive. Then go to Program Data, Microsoft, Windows, and check how much space the Capability Access Manager folder is using. Just inspect it. Don't delete anything from there. Part 3. How to fix the Windows 11 storage bug with KB5095093. The safest and most reliable fix is to install Microsoft's official update, KB5095093. Microsoft states that it improves disk space usage for Capability Access Manager.db-wal. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, select Advanced Options, and then open Optional Updates. Find KB5095093. Download and install it, then restart your computer. But one quick note first. If your C drive is so full that Windows Update cannot download or install anything, use Windows Clean in 4DDIG Partition Manager to free a few gigabytes first. Part 4. Clean up unremoved space after updates. 5093 addresses the abnormal database log usage. But Windows Update leftovers, browser caches, crash dumps, thumbnails, temporary files, and recycle bin data may still be taking up valuable space on your C drive. That is where 4DDIG Partition Manager's Windows Clean feature can help. Open 4DDIG Partition Manager and select Windows Clean. It scans several junk categories in one interface and lets you review items before deletion. Hit Start Scan. Review the results, expanding categories when you need to preserve specific data. Confirm the selected items, then run the cleanup. This removes unnecessary storage without making you search through hidden Windows folders one by one. And that's it for today. This bug may stay hidden, but it can quietly consume a huge amount of space on your C drive. If your storage has been disappearing for no obvious reason, use the steps in this video. You may have just found the culprit. Let me know how much space you recovered and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.